Kaihion kay ko guys.
Unsa?
No place to go. No place to ihi.
What's
Ti. My goodness. Ulit tanig Pinas para mangihi. Lisod ka diri kahion ka guys. Kinahanglan mangihi jud ka, mangihi jud ka kung kuan. Nangihi mo ko kahion na pug ko eh. Ano ka na mangihi? Dagan nga nagkasagutan, di man ka basta-basta diri maka dili ka basta-basta diri makas hunong guys sa kilid-kilid. Labi na og pareho ani highway. Asa man ka mudagan ka tong kakahuyan dadto. Kalayo ba uroy? Ahiyo nagsobra. Yung murag hotel ba? Murag hotel nga naglakaw gadagan. Nami kay dagan dito di ba o pwede biya na dana umangihi. Kapait. Yung si Isko dili daw. Nag-antos ta ni. Kayo na jud kay good. Good. Hello guys. Very strict face there, look. We're going to vacation guys, mga lalab.
No, we're going nowhere. Look.
We're going to Nashville first, then after that we stay there for one night. Then we're going to Smoky Mountain next. But look at the traffic, guys. It's like it's a revolution. Look at guys. Do you think only Philippines have like this? No. First time in history, traffic. Why is traffic down? It's your interview today. Why it's traffic?
Because we didn't get off the interstate. We go the back way.
Oh, is this a back way?
No, this is not the back way. There is a back way. Remember that road that we went with Popsy coming home from Nashville, and it was so pretty. We could go that way if we got off back there.
No, you're not gonna. So we did a bad decision this time. It's okay. It says how long? 47 minutes traffic. Traffic ayo guys, as in sobra.
If I could go through the woods, I'd go through the woods and go back there.
We can return down. Tanawa guys. Plain truck. And then the small truck. Tara, mubo kay nga truck guys. Mga lalab. Wala gina nag-move. Tanawa ang kuan. Tanawa ang mga dahon sa kahoy diri guys. Nice kayo na. Basta mga November na. October, November. Padog November. Ninana na ang mga kahoy diri guys. Beautiful. So samot na siya og padulong og kuan Smoky Mountain. Very nice kayo na ilang kuan dito view. Am I right?
You're right.
So we are here. We are stuck. We are stuck, guys. Where's my hair?
We're stuck.
Oh my
And look where it's
god.
showing.
What's that? 15 minutes more?
58 minutes.
Wow, we're not moving. What's the feeling, Don?
Oh,
There you go. We're going, guys. Tara, we're moving. Hello, tanawan ng gamay nga sakyanan, guys. Tiyong, tiyong, tiyong. Mubo kayo, di halos makita.
we found a place to get off this highway. We're going to get off this highway. Maybe it's cleared though.
Maybe it's okay now.
We're good now.
We're good now. We're moving. Is that beautiful? Beautiful one, sweet. Oh,
Jeez, Jesus. Let it stay open.
excited na ako, guys, makakita sa kuan. Smoky Mountain. Nganong nag-smoke ng mountain dyan pa. Sa Hinungdan. Nganong gitawag na siya og Smoky Mountain. So, gikan sa balay, badong dito sa kuan, Smoky Mountain. Kuan siya. Almost 7 hours ang biyahe. We stop me sa Nashville. From gikan sa balay, badong Nashville, mga almost 3 hours sad ang biyahe. So, we stay man dito for a while, but isa ka gabi so biyahe na po me almost 4 hours. Mapapadong og kuan, Smoky Mountain sa Gatlinburg. So, excited much! Are you excited? No words. It's very serious. Puno kaya mong kuan, guys, sa likod. Marami og maatog kuan, Japan. So, ready. It's another traffic again. Traffic na po kayo.
I'm staying over here.
No, really. Tapos, nice siya karon nga man paadtog Smoky Mountain, guys, kay ang mga kahoy dito as in super beautiful kayo siya. Tapos, pag gusto ka maadto og kanang kuan, kanang frozen mga end sa November. So, balik mi dito pohon and end sa November. So,